Hello there my lovely viewers, welcome back to our channel. Ever found yourself in the middle of a period product section in a store trying to figure out which one suits your flow the best? Trust me, we've all been there. Imagine you're in the store surrounded by a sea of options, feeling like a detective on a mission. You've got pads, you've got tampons, you've got period underwear, and then there it is. The mysterious menstrual cup. You've heard about it, wonders, but you're also wondering, will it work for me? Will it leak? What's the big deal? In today's video, I'm here to show you the various menstrual cup folding techniques that will make insertion easy, ensure proper placement, and reduce the risk of leakage. But before we dive deep into all of these fantastic folds, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Now, without further ado, let's go right into this video. The punch down fold. First in our lineup is the punch down fold. Using your index finger, gently push the top of the menstrual cup down towards the center or the bottom. This clever technique reduces the size of the insertion point, almost matching the size of the tampon. It's a great choice if you prefer a smaller entry point, the C fold or the U fold. Next up, we've got the C fold, also known as the U fold. It's as straightforward as it sounds. Simply fold your cup in half to create a C or a U shape. This is the simplest method because it's quick and can be done with just one hand. However, please note that if you're new to menstrual cups, the insertion point with C fold is slightly larger than the punch down fold, which may require a bit of more practice. The 7 fold. If the C fold or the punch down fold didn't work for you, consider the 7 fold technique. Here, you squeeze the cup and fold one side over, shaping it like the number 7. This fold results in a fairly small insertion point, making cup insertion very easy. The double 7 fold or the tulip fold. Up next, we've got the double 7 fold, also known as the tulip fold. It's a lot like the 7 fold, but this time you fold the cup twice. Take one side and fold it slightly to the front and the other side slightly to the back. This results in a double 7 shape. The triangle fold. Now let's dive into the triangle fold. If you find the punch down fold tricky, this might be your go-to. It offers a narrow opening similar to the punch down fold, but it rather is straightforward. Simply squeeze the cup, flatten it, and take one end all the way to the base. If done correctly, you will achieve a triangle shape with a narrow insertion tip. The origami fold. Last but not the least, we have the origami fold. Start with a half punch, then give it a twist, just like this. You will end up with a lovely rosebud shape, featuring a very narrow tip at the top. This shape makes it easy for you to use the cup. You can choose which of these folds works the best for you. Just ensure that your cup fully unfolds inside to prevent leaks. Give it a gentle twist or run your finger around the rim to make sure that it's secure. Just be relaxed and patient with yourself while using a menstrual cup. Remember, there is no rush and take it easy. You can also use a water-based lubricant if you feel you need to. Hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, make sure that you like it. Feel free to drop a comment below and let us know what topics you would like to explore next. Your feedback drives our content. See you!